Hello and greetings to one and all. I'm Hardika Jain of class 8 from Matashako Public School, and today I'm going to show you all the app that I have created, which shows how to promote sustained economic growth. But before that, I'm going to show you the website I used and also the process that I followed to make that app. So the name of the website is MIT App Inventor. I opened its website and this is the home page that came in front of me, and when I clicked on the create apps button, this screen appeared in front of me. For now, I'm just going to create a sample project. So here it goes. I opened it and this type of screen appeared in front of me. So now I'm not going to show you the whole process, but only the major things that I did. So firstly, I just inserted a background image. And inserted it like this over here. It's not the one that I used in my app, it's just a sample. And after that, I inserted some buttons, and here are the options to modify it. Like I can write the text of the button over here, like I write introduction, and it appears like this. I can also change the font size and font type and also the styles, and there are many more options over here. And like this, I created some more buttons, like this one is the about our main content, and something like this comes in front of me after that. Now I inserted one more screen like this, and for like this, and I wanted that when I click on the introduction button, that other screen appears. So I go over there, and on button 1 I pick this, and over control open another screen with screen name, and it would be screen 2, and like this. So when I click here, now screen 2 will appear, and like this I did in the other buttons also. And after doing many modifications and designing, I got the final app, which looked something like this. So it's like this. This is not exactly on as what is it on phone, as it's a phone app, as you can see, and it has some buttons like this. So this is the app view, and there are other screens also. This was screen 1, and there are other screens also which I have added. And now this is the whole layout of my app. Now I'm going to show you the app on the phone. This is the final app that I got after doing all the design, and the app looks like something like this. It has the heading of home page and then 3 buttons. The first one says introduction, second how to promote sustained economic growth, that is the topic of our app, and in the last we have about this application, which tells you the basic things that this application is about. So first we will go to the introduction tab, and it looks like this. The content over here says promote sustained, inclusive and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment and decent work for all. Economic growth should be a positive force for the whole planet. This is why we must make sure that financial progress creates decent and fulfilling jobs while not harming the environment. And we can click that, and now we can go to the second tab, which says There are different means by which we can promote sustained economic growth. Here are few examples of the same. First, be creative. Make best out of waste. Make things from scratch with your own creativity. This helps you to achieve two targets with a single act. That is, you get a chance to showcase the world your talent, and the other with which you can have an earning. And by that you are unknowingly contributing and promoting sustained economic growth. Many a times people practice this. Have a look at some of their unique artwork. So here are the pictures. It shows a basket made from newspaper rings, and the other one has rings and hanger, and the second skills in hand. Work done by hands like painting, sketching, cooking, etc. is in high demand these days, as it signifies the beauty that God has given in our hands. So we should practice and enhance it. Many people even did that and achieved great heights too. So ready to see some examples? Here you go. So these are the works done by some people. The first one shows a beautiful butterfly being stitched on a cloth, and the second was a portrait of a person. These are only a few practices that can help in promoting sustained economic growth, but there are many more. You can explore them and definitely contribute in the economic growth of the country. And now, this was the major content of our app, and now we can also view about this application, which says this application is created to make people aware about different steps and techniques to promote sustained economic growth. The creator of this application, Hardika, Jain, and the year in which it was created is 2021. Thank you everyone for viewing this app.